Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Capital One credit card before it arrives. So stick around to the end to understand what you'll need to do. So depending on the card and the card issuer, you might be able to access your account details as soon as you're approved before the card arrives. If this is your case, there are two ways you can use your card before the physical one is in your hands. The first option is using it online. You could use your credit card as a virtual card, especially if you have access to your card details before it arrives. The second option is to use it in person. If you add your credit card details to your digital wallet, you can use your phone, watch, or other eligible smart device to make in-store purchases at participating retailers. Digital wallets also come in handy if you forget your physical card at home. This is especially useful as many retailers now readily accept digital wallets. So with these two options, you can go ahead and use your Capital One credit card before it arrives. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.